Mido Ocean Star 39 watch. Main features are movement automatic Mido caliber, power reserve 72 hours, case type stainless steel, screw down crown, case size 39 mm, bandwidth 20 mm, case thickness 10.5 mm, crystal sapphire crystal with double-sided anti-reflection treatment. Model number M269,071,106,100. Part number M269,071,106,100. Item shape round. Dial window material type sapphire crystal with double-sided anti-reflection treatment. Display type is analog. Clasp type folding clasp with diving extension. Case material stainless steel. Case diameter is 39 mm. Case thickness is 10.5 mm. Band material stainless steel. Band color gray. Dial color silver. Calendar date. Item weight 5.26 ounces. Movement Swiss automatic. Water resistant depth 200 meters. Unidirectional bezel. The rotating bezel helps track elapsed dive time safely. High quality movement. It often features the Mido caliber 72 based on the reliable ETA A31.111 movement, offering a robust and accurate timekeeping experience.